Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to prepare this delicious mouth-watering cranberry glazed roast chicken. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also please go and follow me on Instagram at Alice's_kitchen. Now let us cook. Okay guys, so first things first, using a kitchen shear, I'm gonna be cutting the excess fat from the chicken. That part right there, that will not do. I do not want that. If you guys like that part of the chicken, okay, you can go ahead and leave it there. But for me, I don't like that nor excess fat on my chicken. So yeah. So guys, I'm gonna be using this spatchcock cooking technique, which is just a butterfly bird. I'm gonna be removing the backbone, thus allowing it to completely open out and flatten. Okay guys, so you want to flip the chicken over so it rests breast side down, and you want to use a sharp kitchen shear to cut along one side of the backbone from tail to neck. And as you guys can see, I'm kind of struggling a bit because my kitchen shear wasn't that sharp. Yeah, so try not to make the same mistake that I did. Just ensure that your kitchen shear is really sharp. Now you want to cut the other side of the backbone to completely remove it. Now I'm gonna be tucking the wingtips under the front end of the breast just to prevent them from burning. Okay, now it's time to portion out our season. I'm using 1.5 tablespoons of Cajun season, 2 tablespoons of meat season, 1 tablespoon parsley flakes, half tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Now I'm gonna be adding oil for that marinade to go over the chicken, guys. And if you realize that it's too thick, just go ahead and add more oil. And there you have it, the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. First, I'm gonna gently just add some oil to that chicken breast because I love my chicken breast to be moist, guys. Okay, just go ahead and massage that oil on your chicken breast, flip that over, and repeat the same process. Now we're gonna sprinkle our marinade over that chicken, guys. We're gonna go in every crevice, every corners, ensure everywhere gets seasoned, guys, because we're looking for a delicious and flavorful chicken. Okay, so just ensure that you add marinade everywhere, every single where. If you guys don't like this much season, I mean, you can do whatever floats your boat, but for me, I love when the chicken is flavorful. Okay. Now guys, also in that breast pocket right there, I'm gonna add some marinade there, guys, because when I tell you this chicken is gonna be so flavorful, I mean it was flavorful. Okay, it was amazing, delicious. Okay, yeah, just make a pocket right there and just add some marinade there, guys. And you also want to flip it over and ensure that everywhere has season. Yeah, everywhere. Now guys, I'm gonna be adding some of that marinade to the backbone of the chicken. I love the bony part of the chicken. I'm not really a fan of the meaty part like the breast. It's just not my thing. So yeah, you don't really have to throw that part away, guys. You can use it for soups or stock. Okay guys, so in a 350 degrees oven, we're gonna bake this for an hour and 45 minutes, okay? But we're gonna be checking up on this every 30 minutes. Okay guys, so this is our chicken after 30 minutes. And look how beautiful it looks already. So I'm gonna be using a turkey baster and I'm gonna redistribute the juice around the areas close to the surface. So as the basin mixture evaporates, it's gonna help the chicken to cook more evenly. Now I'm gonna place this back in the oven and I'm gonna check back in 30 minutes just to see how it's going. Now guys, this is after an hour, which is the other 30 minutes, and look how beautiful it is. I won't be rebasing this. I'm just gonna place it back in the oven for another 30 minutes. Okay guys, so this is after an hour and a half and our chicken is looking beautiful as ever. Now I'm just gonna be brushing that cranberry sauce over the chicken, just distribute it all over every single way. And this is gonna give it that sweet, delicious flavor that you're looking for, guys. Just everything that the chicken will be missing. Okay, you don't need to add anything else to it, just add cranberry sauce and you're all good to go. Now guys, I'm gonna be placing this back in the oven and I'm gonna bake it for an additional 15 minutes. And look at all this gorgeousness. Like guys, look at this delicious thing. Here I'm just sprinkling it with dried parsley flakes. If you guys have fresh, you can go ahead and do that. But guys, look at this. Look at this deliciousness. Like look at this beautiful bird. Like, oh my goodness, just amazing. Look at that. Oh honey, I had this with salad and it was so good. It was amazing. You guys can go ahead and have your cranberry glazed chicken with rice, mashed potato if you guys want, or even salad, guys. Now this chicken was nothing short of amazing. It was so good, super easy to prepare. If you guys follow the instruction, I promise you'll get the same result as I did. You'll be tasting the same chicken, guys, I promise you. Look at this. Look at this amazing thing. Like, look at this. Come on now, look at this. It tastes exactly how it looks, okay? Now I hope you guys enjoy the recipe and also the video, and I wish you guys a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys in 2023. Bye.